Hi everyone, and welcome to Blancco Verified, the series that gets deep into the more technical details of Blancco's products. We know that ITADs are always looking for more efficiency when it comes to device processing, but that can often be undercut by things like too many manual steps, too many disconnected systems, and these are all things that eat into your profit margins. So I was really happy to catch up with Todd Kenner, who is one of Blancco's solutions engineers, to talk about a specific product we have called Intelligent Business Routing, or IBR for short. IBR is a customizable, highly automated business process management tool for ITADs. It links Blancco Drive Eraser to your processing and grading software so that you can programmatically move assets with less manual interventions. Ultimately, it allows you to accelerate asset processing and remove manual steps that may cause errors, meaning you can get assets back to market faster. In this video, Todd walks us through a demo of the product and shows us exactly how it works.
IBR, also known as workflows, is Blancco's solution that walks an operator through the entire process from A to Z. It integrates grading, diagnostics, erasure, and any data points that need to be captured by the operator to sync with the ERP, so these devices can then be listed on the market for maximum profit. Let's walk through an integration scenario. A device comes in, maybe from a school, a business, or the open market. First, we're going to erase the data in line with whatever the chosen erasure standard is. In this case, I'm demoing a laptop, and we're going to use the NIST 888 clear standard. Then we're going to run diagnostics on the asset. We're going to have the device fail some of these tests, and so the operator is going to be instructed to send it to repair. When the device comes back from repair, the system is going to rerun only those failed diagnostic tests. That means no wasted time repeating cosmetic checks or running the full suite of tests again. What's also cool is that we can check for a legal hold. If the asset is coming from a law firm, government agency, or a doctor's office. Here, we're checking for a legal hold. We're going to query your remote system and see that the device is going to be clear to process. First, we're going to enter the asset ID. This is a unique field that every ERP system uses to identify a unique device, whether that's a laptop, desktop, hard drive, or mobile device. Here, we're performing the legal check. We see the device is free to process. Because the device is free to process, we're going to start the erasure in parallel. Now we're going to go on to cosmetic grading. We're going to say there are no scratches on the screen. We're going to say the case is not damaged and the keyboard is not visually defective. Here, we're going to start our functional tests. First, we're going to test the display. We're going to see red, green, blue, black, white, and a hatched pattern to check for distortions, discoloration. We are going to say that this test has failed. Now we're going to get into the keyboard test, which is going to test the functionality of the keyboard. For the sake of our demonstration, we're going to go ahead and fail this test as well. Here, we're going to test the touchpad, and we'll go ahead and pass this functional test. Our erasure is now running. Here you see our erasure has completed. Now the operator has been notified that the device has failed functional tests and has been instructed to send the device to repair. And now the device has been returned to the processor for confirmation of functionality. Again, we're going to enter in that same asset ID, unique ID that identifies the device in the ERP. We're going to check with a remote system via API to retrieve the component repair status. We're now going to verify that the devices that previously failed are now going to pass their test successfully. Here we're going to see the red, green, blue, black, white, and our hatched pattern. We're going to pass this device. Again, we see our keyboard. We're going to pass the keyboard test. Now you can see that all components have passed verification. We only needed to retest those devices that previously failed. The device is now going to shut down automatically. Now you can see that through our workflow, we've tested the device, identified those components that need to be repaired, also done a cosmetic grading, sent the device off to repair, returned the device to the operator's line, checked with the remote system to see what devices were repaired, and verified the operation of those devices. This has a reduced total touch time, increasing units per hour, and increasing efficiency and therefore profitability.
That's great. Thank you so much for walking us through it. It's been a really instructive demonstration of how easy this software is to use. Thanks for joining us for this demo of IBR. If you're interested in finding out more about our products, please visit us at blancco.com, or you can check the links down in the info box below. And of course, if you like this video and want to see more of them, please like and subscribe to the channel.